Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set face unlock on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on security and privacy. From here, just tap on device unlock, then tap on fingerprint and face unlock. From here, just select face, then enter your lock screen password. From here, just tap on add now. Now just keep your face in this camera frame for a few seconds. After that, just tap on done. And once you do that, you will set face unlock on your Oppo phone. Just like that. And this is how you can set face lock on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.